focus on me. Focus, focus on me, focus on me. Focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me. We in this party, put your body on me. Girl, I want you to.
Okay, I'm done cooking, right? So I need to shower now and get ready to go. It's currently 10 to 11. So I'll shower. I think I'll do a get ready with me video for my YouTube channel. Just subscribe here. What are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe. And I promise I'm going to give you guys back to back entertainment. Anyway, let me get dressed and get ready to go, because you know picnics are nice when the sun is still out. I'm actually going for the picnic alone. Can you imagine? I'll just go with my tripod and everything. My sister's child was supposed to follow me, but back results will come out inside this week. So she was like, I was supposed to go since Monday. I've been waiting for the result to come out so we'll go together, because she's the person always doing my video and pictures when we go out. But she's like, she's scared. You know that kind of feeling, right? So let me shower, get dressed, and start going. I have to pass by the supermarket to get some few things for the picnic. Yes. Anyway, see you when I'm ready. Let me go downstairs and beg somebody to help me out, because I cannot do it alone. It's the advantage of living alone. I literally went downstairs to ask my neighbor's children to help me out. Thank God we were playing outside, because I was planning to go and meet my hairdresser, the person that braided my hair, but she was not around. Guys, I've lost a lot of weight for no reason. Look at this dress. It's giving princess vibe. Yes, because I'm a princess. Anyway, let me do my get ready with me video and I go.
No, the things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl. You know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you. When you touch it, when you rock it, you're so spiritual. When you rock it, I reverse it. Girl, I need it all. Isn't me?
So I'm ready and on my way to go. I was supposed to use the other bag, but it was small. So here everything is gonna enter inside. And this is my tripod. Reason why I'm taking my tripod is I'll be alone there, so I have to take my pictures on this video for you to put it. So let's go.
For you, make you say, focus on me, 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 focus on me. All these sexy kids in the club, all these sexy kids in the club,
The toilet is really good. The room is one night 10K and the toilet is really clean. Like really clean. We have a TV.
focus on me, 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 focus on me.
Make nobody stress me, I'm on the way right now. What's up? Show my support. I didn't know big power. Now wisdom they make you the gara. Shonka. I'm a little son. Sometimes I feel like a burner. In my head, they feel like a gara.
This is so good, so good. Let me know the name. But this is, I think I don't even know how much about it. I'll check the pressure after the video. It's so good. But this is the other flavor. And then I'm doing this one is menthol. Or this one is fruit. So good. This popcorn, right? I just bought it because the package is nice. Me, I'm being influenced by packaging. Yeah, good to man. Where's my lip gloss? Where's my lip doing like this? Let's try that viral trend, right? I did it. I did it. How do you guys walk around with that lip gloss? Like, I got this lip gloss, right? It's milk makeup from the brand Milk. Where I always do my massage and the rest. 1K. Not that you put in. That you guys are selling very expensive. That was 1K and it's very nice. And it turns pink when you put it. So, not bad. It's good. At least I say, even though it's still expensive, at least it's better than that you put lip gloss that are selling for how much. I'm like, the lip gloss. Just open the second one, right? I was thinking it would taste menthol, but it's still nice. Waxy, sweet things. The body's really getting back. Why are you trying something? Just for today. After that, I'll drink a lot of water. If not, my body will go back. I see how my face is clear, right? I don't want to go back to that journey again. But let's fix it just for today, though. I have water. I have excess water to drink. So, there's water. So I'll drink. I just pray it does not react on my body. Guys, I came here because my back was really paining from the floor, right? So I just packed on my thinking and started one of the hats. And I want to start editing this video and the other video. I have to edit my get ready with me video for TikTok. Yes, and TikTok for video and video for TikTok as well with the cooking video I did in the morning. I have to edit everything before leaving here. I don't want to leave here and go home and I'm just like morning. It's currently 3:41. I'll try my best to finish before 5. Yes, before 5. So before 5 we're leaving it because inside and you cannot really have bikes coming in here, but at the junction you get bikes. This place is actually located in Terminus Oja. So when you're at Terminus Oja before the market, the entrance for the market, just say you're going to Minka Peace Resort. It will take you there. So let me edit and go home. Can you see the fish? The fish. Yes, that fish. You see, right? The fish is inside here. I was trying to finish the video at 5, right? It's 5, but I'm not done. It's left 2. It's left the video for TikTok. Yeah, the vlog for TikTok and my cooking vlog. Those 2. I've not done them. But it's 5 and it's getting cold. It's really cold. So I'll just go home. Maybe tomorrow edit them. I'm putting them now. I think I'll post them in 2 weeks time. Yeah. I had a time of my life today. Normalize taking yourself on solo dates. Yes, don't wait for you to have money to go with your friend or you're waiting for a man to take you. It must not be an expensive date. Today nothing can spell to 10K. So you see, the entrance fee here is 2.5 and then those things are bought on the transport. That's all. But not up to 10K. Normalize taking yourself to solo date. It must not be a fancy restaurant. The little things matter. Anyway, that's the end of this picnic vlog. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Over here, I'll entertain you guys to the fullest. So let's call it a day. Bye.